Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 54 SMTP mail send HTML set in admin panel in Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related services +919941599815. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my project is available. This is my folder gem directory. Inside this htdoc directory, this project is already run localhost laravel_11, this miss 12, and this is working fine, and this localhost PSP my admin is available. Yes, inside this is a new menu is implement SMTP. New menu is a sidebar is implementation. Let's first of all this resource view admin inside this is not available SMTP. This is a layout and this is a backend. This is available sidebar menu. This open, this is sidebar blade_PSP, and this is a new create. This is attendance. Inside the same name copy and paste here SMTP and refresh this page. 100% SMTP is available. Good working. This is available SMTP fine. This is SMTP is available. Let's next is the same here SMTP is available. So let's name same is SMTP successfully SMTP available. Save file and refresh this page. Working fine. This is SMTP. Let's click this SMTP and this is available SMTP. This is a list. Same name copy and route inside web.php open. Inside this is a new function super admin. This is available super admin inside this is a create route get paste here. This is SMTP controller, and this is the name is a SMTP. Save file. Let's successfully file save. Let's copy this name inside this is a new create use app HTTP controller and paste here. Successfully paste and this close. Let's same name copy app HTTP controller, and this is a new file is a create PSP. Successfully create. Good working. This is a fine. All good. Next is a implementation. This is SMTP. Let's same name is a payment and this same name copy paste here, and this is the same name copy and paste here. Save file. Let's index file is available and this same name copy SMTP and this fine, and this is SMTP is include. This is SMTP save file SMTP, and this is a remove. This not use this remove. Save file. Let's copy SMTP and this is the index file is a save file. Let's SMTP copy a new file, new create new folder. Successfully folder is a create, and this is the index file is a create blade PSP successfully create. This is SMTP blade PS. Let's hello save file and refresh this page. 100% is a hello show. Good working. This is inside this www.errorsolutioncode.com. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully show, and this is my official website Error Solution Code. We are help 24/7 anytime. Contact WhatsApp and Telegram. And lots of project is available, and this is my YouTube channel, and this is inside this my number, and this is available. Please my follow all social media link, and this my channel. Please subscribe. All good. Let's remove this and save file, and this refresh this page. Successfully blank. This is a payment inside this is a add file is a inside this copy paste here, and in this copy and paste here. Successfully paste and refresh this page. Working fine. This SMTP is working good. This is a successfully good. This is a fine. Let's inside this SMTP form is a implementation, and this same name is a copy. This full form is a copy this form and paste here inside this paste here. Extra is all remove. This is a not use, remove, not use this, remove, not use this all, remove. Extra is a not use this all, remove. Update SMTP set, and this first of all this is a txt save file SMTP successful text, and this is a name is a remove, not use this, remove, and this save file, and this is update save file and refresh this page, and this is a good working. This is a update SMTP. Let's step by step. Name is a implementation. This is a first of all this name is a app name, not a extra name. This is a app name, and this is a app name is available good. Placeholder enter app name. This is a app name, enter app name. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully app name. Next is a implementation. This is step by step all implementation. Next is a mailers. Next is a mailer is a created. This is a mailer is a create. This next inside this mailer, and this is a name is a blank. Third is a same name copy and paste here, and this is a mail host and host save file. This is a host. Next is a port. Successfully port save file. Port. Next is a username and password. Username and password. Let's password. Successfully all form is just set. This is a encryption. This copy and paste here encryption. Save file. And this is last is a form address. Same name copy and paste here from address. This is all working fine. This is a from address. Let's save file, and this is a update. Let's refresh this page, and working fine. This is all implementation. This is a SMTP working condition. This is all required is available. Let's attendance, and this is the SMTP. Click this, and 100% is a working SMTP. This is a fine. Let's check this is a working step by step. First of all, this is a sidebar menu is a create. Second is this is a URL inside this controller is included, and this controller is include successfully by view. This is a view inside this is available view inside this is a resource inside this view. Super admin inside this is SMTP inside this is a index.blade.php file. Please step by step write down all implementation. Next video is the implementation. This is all name is implement and update in database. This video is only SMTP mail HTML set in admin panel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.